अगला टॉपिक हमारा मैनेजमेंट ऑफ स्टाफ डेवलपमेंट। इफेक्टिव स्टाफ डेवलपमेंट इन्वॉल्व्स assessing employees' skills, identifying gaps, creating targeted training programs, and providing ongoing support to enhance their professional growth. Regular feedback, mentorship, and opportunities for continuous learning contribute to a motivated and skilled workforce. Here are some strategies for managing staff development. Assess needs. First, we assess or identify the specific needs and goals of staff. Create a development plans based on the needs assessment. Develop a comprehensive plan that outlines the specific skills and knowledge. Provide resources. Allocate resources such as time, budget, and training material to support staff development initiatives. Encourage ongoing learning. Foster a culture of continuous learning by encouraging staff to seek out opportunities for professional growth. Offer mentoring and coaching. Pair staff members with experienced mentors or coaches who can provide guidance, support, and feedback. Recognize and reward progress, and this can be done through verbal recognition, certificates, or other forms of appreciation. Continuous improvement. Regularly assess the effectiveness of training programs through past training evaluations. Encouraging a learning culture. Foster an environment where employees feel comfortable. Communication. Clearly communicate the purpose and benefits of staff development initiatives. Evaluate and adjust. Regularly assess the effectiveness of staff development initiatives and make adjustments as needed. Managing staff development is an ongoing process, and effective management involves creating a supportive and engaging environment that promotes continuous learning and growth. Next topic is management of school records. School records refers to official documents, books, and files containing information that is highly crucial about actions and events that takes place in a school. The purpose of record keeping and management is to ensure accurate and up-to-date records of students' achievements and growth. Some organizations have continued to use paper and pen, the traditional method of record keeping, for their documentation process. School records generally refer to the information about school staff, processes, facilities, finance, and many more. School records management must be accurate and streamlined so that administrator can better track everything in the school to manage budget, staffing needs, and students. Here are some tips for effective management of school record. Establish a system. Create a well-organized system for managing school records. Categorize and label. Categorize and label. Categorize records based on their types, such as student record, staff record, finance record, academic record. Maintain confidentially. Ensure that all school records are stored securely and confidentially. Regularly update records. Keep records up to date by promoting editing new information and removing outdated or irrelevant records. Implement retention schedules. Develop retention schedules that outline how long different types of records should be kept. Digitalize records. Consider digitalized record to minimize physical storage space. Use it can be secure and reliable and manage electronic records. Train staff. Provide training to staff members on proper record keeping procedure. Backup and disaster recovery. Establish backup system and disaster recovery plans to protect records from loss or damage. Remember, effective management of school records promotes efficiency, compliance, and ability to access important information when needed. Next topic is managing school environment with special reference to Islam. School environment can be defined as a set of internal features that distinguish between school organization and other organizations. The school environment also refers to a system of values, beliefs, norms, and regulations that are accepted and implemented with full awareness by all school members. The school environment has long been understood and influenced teachers' self efficiency in the classroom. The organizational environment, which consists of culture, size, and organizational structure elements, influence job satisfaction. With special reference to Islam, managing a school environment with special reference to Islam involves fostering an atmosphere that aligns with Islamic principles, which includes promoting respect, fairness, inclusivity, while incorporating Islamic values into curriculum and daily activities. Moral development, compassion, and understanding among students contribute to a positive educational environment. Here are some ways to manage the school environment with special reference to Islam: education and awareness, respect for religious observance, character development, dress code, prayer and religious practices, inclusive curriculum, Islamic decorum, teaching tolerance and compassion, anti discrimination policies, celebrate diversity, support networks. Managing behavior in school discipline. Managing behavior, similar to behavior modification, is a less intensive form of behavior therapy, unlike behavior modification. In school discipline, whereas school discipline relates to actions taken by teachers or school organization towards student when their behavior disrupts the ongoing educational activity or break a rules created by the school. The purpose of school discipline. The essential purpose of school discipline is the development in the pupils of attitudes, habits, and ideals of conduct through the medium of social life of the school. Managing behavior and school disciplines have some strategies that can be effective. Clear expectations. Clearly communicate behavioral expectations to students. Positive reinforcement. Recognize and reward positive behavior to encourage students to make good choices. Consistent consequences. Apply consequences consistently when students violate the established rules. Individual support. Provide individual support for students who struggle with behavior issues. Parent involvement. Maintain open lines of communication with their parents or guardians. Professional development. Offer ongoing professional development for teachers and staff to enhance their skills in behavior management. Managing behavior in school discipline requires a proactive and collaborative approach involving teachers, schools, parents, and administrators. By creating a positive and respectful environment, we can help develop the necessary skills to make responsible choices and succeed academically.